Hi, in this demo, we will look at using GitKraken with GitHub. We'll start off by going to the preferences to check our authentication with GitHub. From the authentication tab, we will go to github.com. As you can see here, it says connected. So we can start our first repository. So let's exit. Hit the small folder icon above, then init, which stands for initialize. As you can see here, there's local only option, which means the repository is just going to be on your local machine. It's not going to be on GitHub. So we will choose github.com. So I'm going to choose my GitHub account here and let's give it a name. I'm going to call it Forms Workshop. And for the description, I'm just going to leave it blank. So let's choose the path of the project. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it Forms Workshop and enter. And let's select this folder. And here we're going to choose Python, and the license I'm going to leave it MIT. Let's create it. After creating, GitKraken is going to push the repository into GitHub automatically. So let's check that out. Open public repositories, and you can see it right there, Forms Workshop. Let's open it. So as you can see here, it's empty because we haven't done anything yet. So let's do something. Open GitKraken, and we will copy the wireframes that we prepared. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it wireframes. And let's paste the files. As you can see here, GitKraken recognized the changes. So I'm going to click on View Changes. And we can see the two photos that we added. So I'm going to stage all the changes. Let's write a commit message. It can be anything. I'm going to write added first two photos and hit commit. It is important to know that committing doesn't make the changes in GitHub. It is just local in your machine. So how can we make the changes in GitHub? Well, we need to push. Let's do that. This is gonna take some time because we're pushing photos. So it's finished. Okay, let's check the changes. Let's refresh. As you can see here, we can see the photos right here. Okay, let's add more photos. So, after pasting the files, we will see that GitKraken recognized the changes again. So I'm gonna stage the changes, write a commit message, and hit commit. And again, we need to push to make the changes in GitHub. Once it's done, we can check it on GitHub. Let's do that. Let's refresh. And we can see the new photos added 2 minutes ago.